up, gentlemen? So they're back. Those super sassy hairstyling sirens from Salon Posta today to answer my question. What is something that all women look for in a guy? So whenever I do these videos, a lot of times I have an idea of what they're going to say. Today's video caught me off guard. I didn't realize it's sweet. And the thing that really kind of like just touched me is that a lot of their answers, you know, it's things that I didn't expect, but are so incredibly amazing to hear. And I think you guys are really going to find a lot of value from it. And so today, guys, without any further ado, let's start with number one.
Somebody who's going to be my #1 supporter.
What do you mean by that?
Stand up for me. Just be supportive of me.
Like a cheerleader.
Everything that I do, yeah.
Think you're awesome.
Yeah. You better think I'm awesome.
I love it. This one. I love so freaking much. You gotta be that person that you are with's cheerleader. They want to feel like you got their back. You're there to support them and that you think they are awesome. All right, Laura, what is it? Something that every woman looks for in a guy.
Honesty, integrity, I don't know, just taking care of themselves so they can take care of you.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Having a job and not living with their parents while they're 30 or 40 still. Get out on your own, guys. Be responsible.
Character. Gentlemen, what type of character do you have? Are you honest? Do you have integrity? Are you a man of your word? These are all the things that Laura's talking about. Not only is it something that's incredibly important for you to do as a man, it's also incredibly important for you to have these characters as a partner or spouse.
They have to be clean and look like they've been taking care of themselves. Clean the sheets once a week. Clean the bottom of the shower. That shit's nasty.
I love it. Dudes are a lot of things. Clean is not necessarily super high on the list, but if you expect to create a layer of seduction, gentlemen, she comes over to your place and she's like, I gotta go freshen up for a second. She goes into your bathroom and you got pubes and splatters and pee all over it, or she goes into the shower and it's all mildewed and crusty and nasty. What are the chances of you getting action?
I want him to be mature, live like a grown-up. Big boy bedroom, clean house, clean room, clean bathroom. She's gotta smell good, nice and fresh, clean them like once a week.
Ladies, if you want to take your bedroom game to the next level, there are a few things I would recommend. The first thing is get some lamps. Lamps are an amazing way to set the tone, the ambiance. It's a little bit softer than those like bright ass like overhead lights. Something else you want is some type of a green plant. Candles. A piece of artwork or some type of like picture on the wall, guys, is also a great way to sort of make your bedroom feel a little more sexy, a little more manly, a little bit more mature. The sheets, the comforter, clean, white. If you want to go like sexy, like accent pillows to take it up a notch, you can, but a lot of guys are not comfortable with this. But I'm telling you, if a spicy senorita walks in your room and sees that you got like extra, actually like decor pillows, next level, forget about it, game over, you win. The other thing we got to talk about, and honestly the most important part of your bed, is actually the bed itself in terms of a mattress, which is why I want to talk about today's video sponsor, Helix. All mattresses were definitely not created equal. Some were created really crappy and old and crusty. Others were created amazing. But Helix was created specifically for you and the way that you like to sleep. Okay, guys, so check this out. Helix mattress is changing the game, and the way they're doing that is with a sleep quiz, all right? The sleep quiz is going to actually talk about you and your specific sleep preferences to help you identify and choose the best mattress for you so that you sleep better, you feel better, you're not all sore and beat up when you wake up, you're gonna sleep like a freaking baby. There's a link down below this video, helixsleep.com/alpha. If you go through there, you can actually take the free sleep quiz. It's gonna ask you about your specific sleep preferences, whether or not you're a side sleeper, a back sleeper, a stomach sleeper, your age, your weight, like all sorts of stuff. It's also going to ask you your sleep preferences in terms of mattresses. Do you like it firm? Do you like it soft? Do you like it a little more medium, right? And here's the crazy thing. If you actually sleep in the bed with somebody, like your spicy senorita or a dude, whatever you're into, if you share the bed with somebody, you can actually take it together. For me, I'm a stomach sleeper. I also like my mattress like super hard. My wife, on the other hand, she's a back sleeper, sometime side, right? Because she likes to spoon once in a while, right? Here's the deal. She also likes her mattress a little bit softer. Well, Helix was able to match us with the perfect mattress. You place your order and then, actually, let me show you. We've had the mattress since September. Guys, it is amazing how quick I fall asleep. I wake up feeling refreshed and better. It's a deeper, more solid sleep. Guys, there's a link down below this video. Go hit that link. helixsleep.com/alpha. Take the quiz. The other beautiful thing. If you go through our link, guys, you're going to get up to $200 off of your mattress. You're also going to get 2 free pillows. But I know what you're thinking. You're like, yo, Alpha, what if I get the mattress and I don't love it? What if I don't love that firmness or whatever? Here's the beautiful thing. Helix has taken all of the risk out of it. They're going to give you a 100-night risk-free sleep trial, meaning you get to try the mattress in your home, do whatever you want to do on it, and you get 100 nights to actually do that. If you don't love it, they will actually pick it up and give you a full refund. I love my Helix mattress so much, I actually bought my mom an organic mattress. They got another line called Birch. How do you like the mattress that I got for you, the Birch?
Oh my God, it's fabulous, fabulous. I've never laid on anything so comfortable. And, you know, I wake up and some pains anymore. And what's really nice too is the peace of mind knowing I'm sleeping on such a healthy, environmental friendly mattress. So I love it. You know, I'm
Mom, you need to pitch this mattress more than I. This is great. The funny story, I actually used my own discount link and code to get my mom a mattress. I gotta do what I gotta do. Gentlemen, hit the link down below, helixsleep.com/alpha. Go through that link. You're gonna get up to $200 off your mattress. Also, they're gonna toss in 2 free pillows.
Being really nice, funny, and into nature.
Nature, explain that.
Just love being outside, hiking, in the water, going on adventures.
You gotta be nice, you gotta be kind, you gotta like nature. Hannah dropped a bunch of nuggets of amazingness in this question. You know, I think a lot of guys think that they've gotta look a certain way, they gotta act a certain way, they gotta put on some type of facade, when the truth is, guys, if you are nice, if you are kind, you're a good dude and don't try to act like you're something you're not, guys, this is something that is incredibly attractive, it's something that is incredibly sexy, and it's something that is going to resonate strongly with the spicy senorita that is good enough for you. Because here's the thing, all spicy senoritas were definitely not good enough for you. You deserve the best.
Drive. A man has to have drive. Ambition, drive, yes. Have goals, something that they want to achieve to be better.
I love it. Your drive, your motivation, your goals. Not necessarily that you're like super killing it right now, but the fact that you've got somewhere you want to go is incredibly attractive. Gentlemen, it's okay to not be where you want to be. Most of us aren't. But the fact is you need to constantly be working and striving to better yourself and to make things happen. You've got to know where you're going. If not, you're going to get lost. Sense of humor. We talk about sense of humor, gentlemen. You know at this point, if you are a funny dude or you can make a woman laugh, game over, drop the mic, you win because women like to laugh. And when you make them laugh, it like tingles things, right? Well, here's the deal. I've been thinking about this whole idea of sense of humor, and so I'm going to drop a video in a few weeks about how to actually make a woman laugh, a few tips, because I've been known to make them giggle from time to time.
Loyalty.
Explain that.
Just knowing that no matter what, if you're out with your guys, if you're out at work or whatever, that I know that you're coming home to me and that you're talking good by me and being strong and loyal to me.
I love that.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Loyalty. So here's what I see. A lot of dudes doing, right? When they're around their spicy senorita, they're like, yo, you're the best, baby. Oh my God, I love you. Like, you're awesome. I'm going out with the guys, right? They go out with the guys. And when they're out with the guys, they don't necessarily act like they're taken. They also are not standing up for their spicy senorita if somebody says something like, yo, your girl's whack. Some of the biggest fights that my wife and I have gotten into is when she'll say, you didn't stand up for me, or you didn't take my side during like an argument she might be having with somebody, or there's an issue, right? And my defense is like, well, I didn't think you needed it, or I didn't think you were necessarily right. Doesn't matter. In the moment, you've got to agree, you've got to take her side. She wants you to feel like you got her back. And this is something I have learned the hard way a few different times. And at this point, I just need to understand that regardless of if she's right or wrong, she's always right. And then later, she can be wrong.